For number 1, we're just asked to factor. So before you begin factoring, make sure that your quadratic is in standard form. That just means your highest exponent on x down to your lowest. You also want to always check for a GCF. Since our a value, which is the coefficient of our squared term, is an understood 1, we won't have a GCF. We also don't need to use bottoms up when our a value is 1. When a is 1, all you need are numbers that are factors of your c value that combine to get your b value. So remember, the standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. So we need factors of negative 21, our c, that combine to get negative 4, our b value. When numbers are factors of a negative, their signs have to be opposites. So we know that 1 and 21 multiply to get 21, but to multiply to get negative 21, one of those has to be a negative. Same thing with 3 and 7. Either the 3 has to be negative or the 7 has to be negative. We want them to combine to get a negative 4, so we look to see which one has a sum of negative 4, and that's these last pair of numbers, 3 and negative 7. So we write our binomial factors as x plus 3, since 3 is positive, and x minus 7, since 7 is negative. The order doesn't matter, so if you write x minus 7 times x plus 3, that's the same thing and is correct. Remember to always double check your answer by distributing out and making sure you get what you started with. So the x times the x gives me the x squared. The x times negative 7 is negative 7x. The 3 times x is positive 3x. The negative 7x and the 3x combine to get the negative 4x. And positive 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. So I know my answer is correct.